Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how I draw realistic skin. I didn't record how I started the drawing because this is actually a messagey art challenge. But since I put my time and effort, so I thought of recording the process for YouTube and share with you guys how I draw realistic skin. So this is the reference photo. If you zoom in, you'll see the details of the skin on the face. And if you look closely, you see wavy and dotted patterns in the skin, mostly on the cheek area, nose, upper lip, and other parts of the face. So to draw these out, I'll be using a mechanical 2B pencil, following the patterns on the reference. This is how I drew skin details on my last hyperrealistic drawing. Just draw the lights and dark shades and you'll be able to achieve the skin texture. So I draw them out in a scribble-like manner and follow the flow of these patterns on the reference. After drawing them out, it's time to blend with a makeup brush. I also use cotton buds for this. And then I was gradually adding charcoal powder till I got the desired skin tones. After that, I use a Tombow Mono 0 eraser for the highlights. There are so many different ways of drawing the skin. This is the easiest method I found.
Nothing can stop me or hold me back.
Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video. Hope this tutorial was helpful. Leave a like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Anywhere I'm in, I'm flourishing. I'm flourishing, yeah. I'm flourishing like a palm tree, yeah. Nothing can stop me or hold me back. Winning team, no looking back. I am flourishing everywhere I'm at. I am flourishing anywhere I'm at. The beauty of my life, the source of my joy, the one who gives me strength, faith, hope, and love. He's the one that lifts me up, the one who builds me up. He will never give me up or ever set me up. How can